Hey friend, how are you today? I hope you're having a great day. Today's video is probably a quick one. I have a little bit of a haul from my outlet shopping. So you may have seen the Coach outlet walkthrough that I did a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, and I did buy a couple of things. I actually only went to a couple of stores. I wasn't really in the mood for some reason to be walking all over the outlet mall. I went to the Allen Premium Outlets, which is in Allen, Texas. There's a Coach outlet there, and Michael Kors, Kate Spade, Tory Burch, and of course several other ones. But I bought some stuff at the Coach outlet and then also at Miss A. So this is Miss A. It's kind of like almost like a dollar store of makeup stuff, but not everything in there is $1. Some things are up to $10, but they have everything: makeup, hair accessories, jewelry, bath stuff. I mean, like tons of stuff. So I just kind of walked through there and got a few things, and I thought I would show you what I got. So here is the bag. It's Miss A. Online, it's shopmissa.com, I think. I can link them below. First of all, I got a brush. So this is from Cala. I think I have another Cala brush, but this is a contouring brush, so you can kind of see how it's shaped there. So I thought that might be a good brush to use. And then I got some pure sanitizing wipes, and this is from the AOA Studio. So Miss A has, I guess it's their house brand. I'm not really sure, to be honest, but AOA is a lot of what they sell there. Not everything, definitely, but maybe 50% of what they sell. So I just got some sanitizing wipes because I was in Dallas and sanitizing everything. Fortunately, I had other wipes and didn't have to open those. And then next I got, this, I don't know, actually, I got it because I was staying at the hotel and then I completely forgot that I'd purchased it, so I didn't use it. But this is actually a ceramic toothbrush stand, and it's heavy. So, you know, when you're at a hotel and you don't really want to put your toothbrush on the counter, I thought, you know what, that'd be good because it can just stand up in there and you don't have to touch it to the counter, and it's heavy enough to hold it up. So I'll just put that in my travel bag so I'll have it next time I go. And then I got the AOA Wonder Brow. This is a tinted brow pomade. I can't read, to be honest. Oh, it's taupe. The color taupe. I can't read, it's really small, but you can see there. Sometimes I need to lighten my brows just a little bit because of the specific hair that I'm wearing. So I thought I would go with a little bit of a lighter color. I think I got another one too. I'm gonna have to look and see. This idea I got from my YouTube buddy here. I'm gonna put her YouTube name here and I will link her below so you can go and check her out. But she had this, I believe, in one of her What's in My Bags. It was something similar to this, but it's a no-touch door opener. So it does several things apparently. You can put it on your key ring. Of course, you have it around your finger. So with this right here, you can hook it onto a door and open it and then carry stuff on it too. And then there's a bottle opener over here. The very bottom is a push button and touch screen. So right there. So, you know, this would be good if you have it and you don't want to touch an elevator door or, you know, the elevator buttons or something like that. So I'm going to stick this in my purse too. I think it'll come in handy. And then this is along the same lines. You've probably seen this, but this is an 18-in-1 multi-tool pocket card. So this really can go in your wallet, but it does all of these different things. So you have a ruler over here, letter opener here, box opener here, screwdriver. I guess it's the end part right there, the screwdriver. Okay, and this is interesting right here. It says insert card and then cell phone. So I think you can insert like a credit card or something, have it standing up, and it will hold your cell phone. I'm guessing. I guess that's what it means. I'll be interested to see if it actually works. And then again, on the other end, there's a screwdriver. I guess on each end. Yeah, each end, there's a screwdriver. And then can opener and peeler on the very end right there. Peeler. Maybe for an orange. I don't know. So I thought it would come in handy for something, so I'll stick it in my wallet. I got another brush, and this is the AOA brand. I was hoping that it would be kind of stiff because I'm really wanting something that's good for eyeliner, and I use a lot of eyeshadows for my eyeliner, and I'll just like spritz a setting spray on my hand, get it a little bit damp, stick it in the eyeshadow, and then that's how I would use my eyeliner. So that might work, but I'll have to see. Not sure, but it was $1. Last couple of things, I got a pair of brow scissors. You know, you go to CVS and get a pair of brow scissors and they're like 12 bucks. I mean, for $1, I think that's a really good price. And then, yeah, I did get another brow thing. So this is just a brow tint. It's fun to try out new brow stuff. Again, this was $1. Now for Coach. I only picked up a couple of things. I had things, you know, I was going back and forth between this and that, and maybe a bag, and maybe this, you know, this little brush carrier, and I tried some shoes on. I didn't spend a whole lot of money, but I think the things I got were really cute. So let me show you. Definitely one of these you saw in the video. All right, first thing is in this box, and the regular price on this was $68. It was marked down to $62.99, and then it was either 70 or 75% off. So I ended up getting it for like $14, which was a great price. Actually, you know what? It might have been a little bit more than that. I think it was 15 something, but I didn't know this. So I got a coupon for my birthday for $10 off, and they were able to apply it to this. And I asked her, I said, do you have to use it online? Because it was popping up when I opened the Coach Outlet website. I didn't get it in my email. It only happened when I opened up the Coach Outlet website. And so I showed it to her, and she said, yeah, actually you can use it once in store and once online. And I was like, what? So yeah, I was happy about that. So she did apply it to this entire order. So it made these be $14. So look how cute these are. Had gold with the little C's. So like it's like a Huggie hoop. So yeah, I think these are super, super cute. And I don't think I have any Coach jewelry. This next item ended up being $24 with discounts and with the coupon and everything. And I knew when I saw this, when it came in the email, you know, when we get new release emails or whatever, I knew that I had to have something that was in this print, and it is the lipstick print. I think this is so cute. So this is just the little boxy cosmetic case. So it's the tan lining on the inside. There's a pocket right there. So of course it's in the canvas print, but I mean just super, super cute. And of course they had different things. They had the brush, like the round kind of brush roll thing, and they had the wallet. They had several that were in this print and also the lip print. So I just love the little lipsticks. I think they're super cute. But that's all I have for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this very small outlet haul, and I hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you soon.